Here's how to install our OCAM manual tonneau cover for the Mitsubishi MV Triton. Lay out all the hardware and familiarise yourself with the kit. Pre-assemble the silver brackets like this using the included hardware and rubber stopper. If your vehicle comes with the factory jail bars, they will need to be removed prior to installation. Use a 12mm socket to remove the 4 bolts along the front edge near the window. Then use an angle grinder to cut off the factory brackets. Use a flappy sanding disc to make the cuts flush with the tub rails and to smooth out the burrs. Deburr and paint protect the exposed metal, then give the tray a quick clean to remove any metal dust. Use silicone sealant to seal the corners, then apply the adhesive foam tape along the front edge. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 bolts holding in the tail light. Use the included hole saw to create an opening here for the rear drain tube. Deburr and paint protect the exposed metal, then route the tube through the hole. Reinstall the tail light and repeat this process on the other side. Route the front drainage tubes through the openings in the tub. Apply the clear adhesive tape included in the kit to the 3 bracket positions. This prevents the brackets from digging into the paint on a bare tub that doesn't have any spray liner. Repeat this process on the other side and along the rear edge of the tailgate where the tonneau cover sits. Attach the wings by sliding the black tab on the canister into the bottom rail. Make sure to pull the cover out slightly and slide it into the track on the wing. Secure using the 3 black dome head bolts using the included Allen key. Repeat this process on the other side. Then attach the included rubber plugs. Secure the canister lid using the included Phillips screws, screw seats and cap covers. Lift the canister onto the vehicle and align the edges of the wings so it sits flush with the tailgate when it's closed. Add T-nuts to both sides by sliding them into the tracks and secure to the brackets using the included bolts with a 10mm socket. Tighten the black T-nuts first before tightening the bracket bolts. Use the bottom bolt for height adjustment if needed. Then attach the bracket covers. Secure the hose clamps using a Phillips head screwdriver. And there you have it, your OCAM manual tonneau cover is installed.